to make your own keychain. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. Making your own keychain? Give it a try yourself and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Do share your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. See you all!